Welcome back to day three. Um, yeah, let's start a video. Oh, sorry. Yo. So where was I? Day three. Irozu, 3:37 a.m. Guys, I'm telling you, I met people in Valorant. They helped me a lot. Like, see, I had this girlfriend situation going on, and today I called her. And today is like prelims exam, and she recently mentioned that her 10th class friend is also attempting prelims. And why it triggered me? Because I started preparing UPSC for her. Not even kidding. I legit started UPSC for her. And then we broke up. And then I was so traumatized with all stress and stuff. I couldn't even look at the pages, man. I strongly remember I was reading geography. I remembered all the countries of all continents. And then I simply couldn't. My brain just zip. So, anyways, today we spoke, and then she said her mom called. And in this duration, something happened, man. I was reliving the entire moves. Like we already had a huge fight, which I didn't want to, but somehow it happened. And I was so broken. I was crying, and I was like done. And then these people in Valorant, they were consoling. They became friends like 1 week ago or something. We were playing together, and since they're in my party, I'm like talking and then explaining what happened. And they were like, bro, you shouldn't. Then realized something. I tried enough, man. I mean, see, sometimes you're not meant for something. I mean, sure, with enough try, you will achieve anything. But whatever you're achieving, do they deserve that? Like, if you want to get like last position of a race, you can run slow. But does that really deserve it? How slow can you go? Right? Anyways, so I spoke to them, they guided me, and I expressed my opinions. I gave the taste of her own medicine to her. She texted me long messages after like years, bro. But then I did message, and then the same, like this girl, nah. Whenever I mention a point, she leaves the entire point, and in the end, she'll say, "What a sarcasm." I want to end. I was like, I didn't reply. I mean, like, I wanted to reply, man. I wanted to explain it to her, tell her everything. But what's the point? The more I explain, the more she rejects it, the more she believes in her own thing, makeup story or something. And, anyways, so today I was with this guys playing compies. Like, we're not even trying, but we're winning. I got an immortal kind of aim today. I don't know if she has to do with something on it or emotions. I don't know. But then I was like so tired. My hand is falling and my eyes are drowning. And then I realized I started something. I should continue. So for you guys, I'm back again. Right? I know this clip is kinda an interesting spot. But yeah, let's pause it. Let's complete the neat code challenge for today and we'll go back to the video. Oh shit. This is today's is two sum. This is literally the most, I don't know, like interesting sum. So given an array of integers, numbers, and integer target, return the integer ing such that number and okay. So let me something. You may assume that every input has exactly one pair of an ing satisfy condition. Exactly one pair. Cool. Answer with the smaller index first. Okay, there is one more condition. These are inputs. Two. Oh, got it. So let's discuss. We have an array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a number, target number. Say, suppose 9. We have to find out two such numbers which will add up to this. Now, like Ninna Monna, like yesterday and day before yesterday, I was like going into the most effective solution that came into my mind. But let's deal it like a regular programmer. How would you approach to this? Yeah, you loop. I mean, you have an array, you have to know. As a computer, you don't know what is an array. So you have to iterate, right? One is here. Okay, one is here. What do you do next? We again loop. With what? We'll do a minus and we'll take this as 8 and we'll see if 8 is there or not. Right? This is cool. We check for every number until we loop till 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 we got. Acha, we got it off. Yeah. But tell me something. Is this the most efficient way? No. Because we are looping it twice. That is, we are looping the array, not twice, sorry. Every time for every n number of times, like 1, 2, 3, so on, n. This is 1, 2, 3, so on, n. Why? For 1, we are looping. 2, we are looping. 3, we are looping. 4, we are looping. 5, we are looping. And that is of n square. Now, the better. We will use sets. Okay? We will use set and create this thing and we loop again 1. We find 8. We ask this set if 8 is there. It will give us an O of 1. Then the complexity will be O of n, right? Yeah, the space will be O of n. So this is the best approach I came with. Let's solve it using that. So let's temp our new set of nums. For I in nums. Oh, there is also indexing that needs to be done. Well, still, no matter if I run like 5,000 times this loop, like for I 1 to n, do nothing. If I run it for 5,000, this is still O of 1. I mean, sorry, I'm looping it to n times, right? So it's still O of n. I mean, 5,000 into O of n is still O of n because this is constant. Okay. So I this concept, why did I say? I'll tell you why. For I names, first of all, we have to check what are the numbers are. So if 10, no, target minus I in nums, in nums, uh, say some goal equal to some -1. Oh, there's also -1. We'll put m. Yeah, this is my kind of going through the using a different. You know what I'm trying to say. Target equal to goal equal to I. Now, if I equal to n, I mean, there is, you may assume that every input has exactly one pair. That means it will definitely have a solution. So now we have to find the solution. I mean, we already found the solution, but we have to print the index, right? There is one thing to find index. Find index of elemental list in Python. Yep. Dot index. Let's see how it is used. Dot index banana. Okay. Some. But I think in this complexity, what is the complexity? Hmm, only return the first match. What is the complexity? I mean, complexity is obviously O of n, I know, but I just want to make sure, yeah, O of n, linear time, constant space. Okay, it's good. Yep. This one. Now we got the number. We have to find the index, right? Wait, return the answer with the smallest index first, obviously. So index 1 equal to list, that is nums of index of goal. Index 2 equal to nums dot index of goal target minus goal, right? We got the indexes dot index using dot index method. Now we have to return like this an array of first min of I1 comma I and 2 comma max of I and 1 comma I and 2, right? Yeah. So this concept 5000 into, why did I say that? The complexity of this is off and the complexity of this is off and the complexity of this is off, and so off n plus off n, like that it becomes 3 into off n, right? Like a is equals to 3a, right? Like that. So this is constant, so still the complexity of n. Yep. So run, accept it, submit. I think it should, wait, what? Okay, there is an edge case. What has happened? When there is a array of say 5 comma 5, this will return index of this and not this. For cases like this, what should we do? What should we do? Interesting, right? Yes. hmm What do we do for things like that? We can, yep, got it. We can simply, no, then the index will change. Yep, we can simply put nums of index 1 equal to m. Now, this will do. What did I do? I'll tell you. I have one second. Yeah. I have simply, like, whenever this cases comes, I'm just changing this to m. So, the next time it finds the index, it will go to this. We have solved it. But ours is like not that great. I want to see what the discussions are about. Um, ship. Hashmap battery states hashmap. I mean, we can use that as well. First at n log n. But why? We are doing an off n, right? Mm, there are no. Let's see solution. Brute force. I mean, yeah, obviously. Okay, brute force is n square. Next, what do you say? They are sorting it and then finding it. Hash map. Hash map to store value and index. Aha, okay. Yep, I get what they're doing. One passa. We can solve the problem in a single pass by iterating through the array and checking if the complement of the current element exists in the hash map. But for hash map, we have to iterate first, na? What is this? To store value. This is iteration one. So I index target minus. This is what we did. Check the complement exists in the hash map. If does, return the indices of the current element and its complement. If not, the square is not return an empty array. I mean, yeah, we don't even have to do min of this and that because we are going in a line, right? So obviously the first index will come. So what's the point if, I mean, I want to check like if that works. It will work, obviously, because, oh no, it is not working, which is crazy. They asked for smallest index first, huh? Uh, then what is wrong? 100. How? Let me see. Target minus I nums. Okay, here I have to break because we already got it, obviously. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Wait, what? Why did it even fail? Goal equal to I. This is working. This is not working. List dot index x is not in list. What do you mean x is not in list? Target minus goal should be in list, or else. Wait, what? Let's see. Print I no goal target minus goal comma nums 3. Why? There is only 3x. Um, expect out 2 comma 3. Yeah, 4 comma 2. Why is even 3 coming here? I mean index. Yeah, obviously. Did I do something here? What did I do? Goal n for I in nums if target minus I in nums goal equal to I. Break. Then int nums dot index goal. Okay, that is fine. Nums of m print target minus goal equal. So why is it considering 3? Oh shit, sorry, I'm sorry. I have to use temp here. I mean, I created the temp for to use it as a set, right? Then why am I using nums again? Did I break the code just by putting break? Why did the code break with a break? I mean, it should work like this. Goal equal to I break the loop, and then in nums dot index of goal 3 4 5 6. No, not this. There's some other case. X is not in the list. What do you mean not in the list? I'm finding for 3. How is 3? Okay, I got it. What is happening? I got it. I got it. So there is this case 3 comma 4 comma 2 and 1. Now we want 6. 6 can be written as 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2. Right? This case, this case. Now what is our thing doing? It is stopping at 3 comma. Previously, why did it work? Because previously the intuition was like it didn't break. So what is happening? Even if it found a solution, it still moved on. And we got lucky and we found the solution and everything is passed. Luck doesn't matter, my buddies. What matters is this. So we have to implement something else. I mean, this logic will work, but not like this. How will we implement this? We use something called dictionary, hash map. What we do in dictionary, we store the values and the index. 3 1 2 1 4 2. Now what do? We take 3 and we check for a value. I mean, like, for example, target is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, we check. And if this value and this value has a different index, then we accept. Or else, what are we gonna do? We're gonna move. For this condition to exist, we have unique keys we have to have, right? But I don't know in this question if they are unique. Should we go on a, you know, should we go on a assumption that the given array will be unique? I mean, it is definitely not unique. What happens when two things are kept in a dictionary? It fails because in dictionary keys should be unique. So what do we do here? Well, think, guys. We can do this. There is a problem in this place only. Now, what do we do? What do we do? Huh. I know what do we do. If, like, if goal equal to target minus I, this is the case where this happens. Wait, sorry. This happens, right? So, but there is also a positive case for this. So we have to check. Okay, then we'll do continue. And we have to put min and max here. Min, max. This will do. Yep. We our execution speed has, I mean, like, I mean, the speed of our program increased very drastically. It used to be somewhere over here, it went till here, but that's fine. I still want to see the solution. Like the last one, how did he handle? Because I'm using this weird logic that I invented and this weird logic that works. But is this right? No. So let's try to understand this. What is this? The best hash map one pass. What is he doing? He created a map and yeah, he created it. And then for I comma n in enumerate of nums. Like enumerate, what enumerate does is, so this is a list of 1, 2, 3 and index of 0, 1, 2. It every time it iterates this, it will give two values, 1 comma 0. Okay. The one 0 is the index, 1 is the value. The value is going in I, n is n is the value, I is the index. Difference target minus n. If difference in priv map, return priv map diff comma I. Or else priv map. Okay, his. Oh wow, this is crazy. What is he doing? So he's like, while going only, he's creating the hash map. Look, so he has created a hash map There is an array, suppose 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. And the value is 6, right? What is he doing? He's taking like 3, he's like 0, 1, 2, 3. He's taking 0, comma 3 index value, and he's checking if this minus this, which is 3, is already there, then return the index of this. It is not there. So what is he doing? He's adding this. He's adding 3, comma 0, and then 4, comma 4, comma 1. Sorry, 1, comma 4, because it's the index value. Now again he is adding because nothing is there. Whereas 5, sorry, consider it as 2. Okay. Again 5. He's adding it here. 5, comma 2. Here he got 2. He checked. There is also 4. So what is he doing? He's 2, uh, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3, comma 2. Now this is the index 1, and yeah, this is the index 2. So 3, comma 1. But he's first calling the dictionaries. Yeah. So it's basically 1, comma 3. He didn't even use minimax. Man, this is next level intuition. Next level intuition. But yeah, we solved it. I mean, we did learn something. Yeah. Back to the stuff. I mean, today's coding question is done. My condition, I was very demotivated, like as usual. But hey, I started a new project. I wish I can show you. I know. I'm such a boy. Yeah, this is my Jarvis application that I'm creating. It works. Hey, I should activate the what? One second. There is a problem with this. Okay, what? Okay, it got activated by itself. Thank God. What I did was activate an environment so that wait, it is 3.12, right? See, like in this environment, I can you know control the versions and all that I need for my project. Anyways, let's run the Python main.py. I don't know if the mic will be accessible or not, but yeah, let's see. Oh, it's taking. What happened? Okay, it's working. Oh man, I know I shut it down entirely, but it's taking too much time. Start, start, start. Oh yeah. Why is it taking? Oh, sorry, sorry. It has started, man. My bad. Hey Jarvis. Yeah. Wobble wobble up blub, or hey Karna. Hey Jar. Oh, that was. I mean, I'm still developing it. So yeah. Let me try it again. Hey Java. Hey Vis. Hey Jarvis. See. Hey Jarvis. Hey Jarvis. Hey Pondambudi. Meow meow. It's nice, no? Yeah, I know. So yeah, guys, maybe enjoy this and go. Yep, from here. Okay, so life. I know I'm like tired and all today, but yeah, this was not how my day 3 video supposed to be, but it still is. Tomorrow I will be little good. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I did the ace, but okay, bye bye.